We continue with sum number 9 of exercise 9A, 1A. So sum number 9. National Trading Company, Meerut, that is in UP, made the supply of the following goods services to Samarth Traders, Noida, UP. So you can see that both of the companies, one the buyer and the seller, both are in UP. Hence you will be having the intra-state transaction. Accordingly, it is within the state, you will be having CGST and SGST. Find the total bill amount if the GST is 12%. So you have to find 6%, 6% individually for IGST, CGST and SGST. So we see the thing over here, it is given the quantity and the MRP and then the discount. So let us do one thing, we'll go one by one. So item 1 is MRP and quantity is over here. MRP is 225 and the quantity is 20. So amount is going to be equal to 4,500. The discount is 40%. 40 upon 100 into 4500. That is going to be equal to 1800. Okay. So accordingly, the SP is going to be equal to subtraction of the two, that is 2700. Okay, we'll do one thing, I'll just write it below so that I'm not wasting space for GST and all. So that will be SP is equals to rupees 2700, and then we have the GST. So they are given the GST to be equal to 12%, so 6% each. So CGST is equals to 6 into 2700 upon 100. So that is going to be equal to 6 7 6 are 42 and 6 to the 12 plus 4 60, 162 rupees. And therefore SGST also rupees 162. So accordingly you will be having the amount to be as 2700 plus 162 plus 162. Okay, so that will be the total 4, then 12, then it is 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 1 to 3024 will be the first value, item 1. We move on to item 2. So item number 2, the MRP is 320 and 30 pieces, 30%. 320, 30 pieces. So that will be 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 9, 9600. And the discount is 30%. So 30 into 9600 upon 100. So that will be equal to 0 and 18 and 27, 28. So 2880. Therefore SP will be equal to this minus this. Accordingly it will be 9600 minus 2880. So 0, तो ये 5 हो गया, ये हो गया 2, and then it will be 9, 8 and this 15, so 7 and 6. So it's 6720. And CGST, now they are given that again, it's the same thing, 6%. Okay. I would have made it easier. I would make it easier. In fact, I would make it easier. I'm not going to go through everything. I'll do one thing, I'll not take this part, but I will just take over here the amount to be 2700. I'll not take this. I'll make it easy because I don't want to go for too much calculation every time 6%, 6%, 6%. So I'll make it this way. The item 2 is 320, 30, that is 9600, and then 30% discount. That is going to give me answer as 2880. So it will be 6720. Then we come to item 3. Item 3 is 300 rupees ka item and there are 12 items, so that will be rupees 3600. So it is, the discount is 50%. Wow. So 50 upon 100 into 3600. So that is going to give me as 3650. Okay, 0. 1800. Yeah, of course. 1800. So that will be the discount. So accordingly, it will be yes 1800. This minus this is 1800. Okay. Then item 4. Item number 4 is of 250 rupees and there are 40 articles. So that will be 10,000. Okay. So 10,000 and the discount is 40%. So it is 40 upon 100 into 10,000. Yeah, that gives me as 4,000. So that will give me the total as 6,000. So the total we get it as 0, 2. This is 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 is 22. And then we got as 10, 11 and 6 is 17. So this is the total. So therefore, CGST 6% and SGST 6% and then the total. This is what we require now. Easier. So 6 upon 100 into 17220. So that is going to be 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 113 and 6 are 42 plus 143 and then it is 6 1 is 6, 7 8 9 10. So it is 1033.20. 1033.20. This is 00. So this is 40. This is 6, 8. Then yeah, this is 2 and then 7, 8, 9 and 1. So the total amount is 19,286 rupees 40 paisa for sum number 9. So sum number 9, the answer is 19,286.40 paisa. So yeah, whenever they are given that the rate of the text is the same, then it is better to take out the total and then check the answer, take the text, rather than individually taking the text, because individually taking the text will be painful, because every time you take 6%, 6%, 6%, it becomes difficult or it becomes too lengthy, the sum becomes too lengthy. We now move on to sum number 11. Oh, that is a bad one because it has got GST percent also in different forms, thus discount in different forms. Anyway, we'll do one by one. So here we'll have to take the GSTs separate plus together. So here they have not mentioned, one thing is that they have not mentioned anything about the transaction, whether it is within the state or outside the state. So we will consider it to be outside state so that we are getting one tax directly. So the GST is 12%, so I can take it as IGST directly. So that anyways what we want is just the bill amount. Okay, so we just want to find out the amount of the bill. So GST, whether we take it separately or not, it's not going to make much difference. So we see the sum number 11. Sum number 11. You got here the rate and the piece, number of pieces and the discount. So first of all is item 1 is 360.18. So this is the MRP, this is the quantity, so this is the amount, and then the discount. Okay, discount is 10%. So first of all the amount is 36 into 18. 6 is a 48, 8 3 is a 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 0, 6, 3. So 8, 10, 608. So it is 6080. 10% discount will be 608 rupees. So 6080 minus 608, that will give me 10. So it is going to be 7 and 2, 7, and this will be 10 and 5, so it is 4 and 5. So it will be 5472 is the SP. Okay. The rate of tax is 12%. So we have over here that GST is 12%. So it will be 12 into 100 upon 5472 upon 12 upon 100 into 5472. So 5470 into 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 7s are 84 plus 2 86, 12 4 is 48, 48 plus 8 is 56, 60 65. So that will give me as this upon 100. So that is given to you as 656.64. So again in total will be 5472 plus 656.64. So that will be 64, this will be 8, this will be 12 and 11 and 6. So it will be 6128.64 is the amount. Okay, similarly we need to find out such 4 of them. So item 2, 480 rupees, quantity is, sorry उल्टा बोल दिया, ठीक है. This is the quantity and this is the MRP. So 480 quantity, 12 over here, so 12 into 48. So 48 into 12, 12 8 is 96, 12 4 is 48 plus 9, 48 plus 9 is 57. So it is 5760. The discount over here is 20%, so 20% or discount is into 2 is 12, 14, 15, 10, 11. So 1, 1, so that is going to be 1152. No, not possible. Yeah, 1 second. It will be 20% will be 1152. नहीं हो सकता है. 5760 into 20 upon 100. Yes, 1152. 1152 here. 1152. So that is 5760 minus 1152. That will be 8, this is 5, so 0, then this is 6 and this 4. So that will be 4608. The tax over here is 18%, so 18% of 18 upon 100 into 4608 into 18. So 8 is 64, 6, 8 6 is 48. 32 plus 4, 36, and then 0, then 8064, so that will be 4, this will be 14, 9, 12, 8, so 82, that will be equal to 829.44, so that will be 5760, sorry, it will be 4608 plus 829.44, that will be 0.44. This is 7, 3, this is 14, so 5437.44. Okay, we move on to item number 3, which is 120 items for 12 rupees. Again, the 12 12s are 144, 01440. The discount over here is just 5%. So 5% is 5 upon 100 into 1440. So that will be 20s are, the zeros are, this will be 72. So it will be rupees 72 rupees is the discount. So that will give me as 1440 minus 72. So 8 will be 3, that is 13, so 6, 4, 1, 1, 6, or 1, 3. So 1368. 1368. Okay, and the rate of this is 12%, so it will be 12%. Accordingly, it is 12 upon 100 into 1368. So 1368 into 12, 12 8s are 9, 12 8s are 96. Well, 6 are 72, 72, 81, 8, 9, 12, 36, 36 plus 8, 44, plus 12, plus 4 is 16. So it will be given to you as equal to 164.16. So 1368 plus 164.16 is 162 over here, and then it's 12, 13, and then it is 5, 1, 5. So it's 1532.16. We do move the next one, that is the item 4, that is costing 150 articles for 28 rupees each. Okay, so 28 into 15, 15 is the 120, 15 is the 30, 40, 42. So that is going to be 4200. The discount is 20%, so 20% discount, that is going to be 840 rupees. $840, so it is this minus 840, so that is going to be 0. This is going to 10, so that will be 6, and this is going to be 11, so 3 and 3. So it will be 3360, and the tax is 28%, so that's a huge percent. So 28 upon 100 into 3360, so that will be 336 into 28. 6 is the 48, 24 plus 4, 28, and 24 plus 2, 26. 0, 12, 6 and 7, 6. So that will be 8, 0, 14, 9. So 9 is equals to 940. No, okay, that will be 28% will be 940 rupees 80 paisa. So 3360 plus 940.80 is going to be 80, 0, 0, 1, 3 and 4. So it will be 4300.80. So the total amount will be equal to, they're adding it up, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 14 and 1. So 6 for 10 again, 11, 12. 12 is 20, so that is 2, 10, 17, 18, 19, 19, 1, so 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, and then it will be 1, 5, 5, 10, 13, and 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17,399.04 should be the answer for sum number 11 of the things. 802.24. Oh no, there is definitely some calculation error somewhere. Let me check this out. Okay, I found out the mistake. The mistake is over here in the first itself. This should have been 6480, not 6080. Accordingly, this will be 648. Accordingly, this will be 5832. It will be 5832, and the 12% of 5832 will give me over here as 699.84. Accordingly, I'll get over here as 6531.84. So that is the difference over here. So now when we check this out, it will be given to you that this will be 17802.24. That's the answer for this thing. Okay, so these are the mistakes what are done in the sum. Accordingly, please check it and see that you are writing it in the proper manner. So this was sum number 11. Now we move on to sum number 13. So now onwards the sums are slightly easier, not the easier, but basically there will be less amount of calculations, not calculations like this which are like maddening, so much things at the same time, taking almost 10 minutes for the same one sum. So that's why I told you this is just for normally understanding such kind of questions. If they ask in the examination, it will be much simpler form. That means they will give the values which are easily calculated, not like too much of calculation. So yeah, we need to see to it that. Okay, now sum number 13. Mr. Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. Find the total annual premium by him for his policy with the rate of GST being 18%. So it is given to you. The first thing is GST, that is SGST, is equals to 900 rupees. And they are given the rate of GST is equals to as 18%. Therefore, SGST rate is equals to 9%. So now we know that 9% of some amount is 900 rupees. See, what is the formula for GST? SGST is equals to ST% of SP. Here SP is nothing but the premium. So this we know it is 900 is equals to 9 upon 100 into SP. So accordingly this will be equal to 900 into 100 upon 9 is equals to SP, that is 100. Therefore SP is equals to rupees 10,000. Their premium paid is equals to rupees 10,000. What are the answers? The answer, find the total annual premium paid by him for this policy. So the total annual premium paid by him was this much plus the GST what will be paying over there. So it will be 10,000 is the total GST payable by him over here as the answer. Okay, so the answer is 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees is the total premium paid by him in this case. Easy. We need to remember this formula. Very important. Okay. Sum number 15. Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As a ticket for rupees 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket for rupees 120 of upper class. How much extra GST did he pay for the ticket? That GST for the ticket below 100 is 18% and the GST about 100 is 28%. So we'll do one thing, we'll have to find out the GST for both the things one by one. So first of all is SP is equals to rupees, when the SP was rupees 80, okay, is rupees 80, then GST is rupees 18%, right? So therefore GST value will be 18 upon 100 into 80. So that will be so that is going to be 1440 upon 10 is equals to rupees 14.40 as the GST which he would have paid earlier. What is the new thing? The new thing SP is equals to rupees 120, and when it is 120 the GST value is 28%. Accordingly GST will be 28 upon 100 into 120. So that is going to be 28 into 12, so 12 8s are 96 and 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 9 is 31 upon 10, so that will be rupees 31.60. They asked us how much extra GST he paid. So extra GST paid is equals to 31.60 minus 14.40 is equals to as 11, so 7 and 2 1, so rupees 17.20. okay, rupees 17 rupees 20 paisa is the answer for this one, the last one. 570. Okay, I'll just check up some error. 1864 819, and here it is 28 into 12 6 24 30. Oh sorry, there is 33, so this is 3 so this is 3 so accordingly 3 over here, accordingly this is 9, so it is 19.20 is the answer for this point. Okay, so this was the end of exercise 1 of GST. You need a lot of calculations over here, so be careful in the calculations. Any small error will make you give you a wrong answer. So that was about the first exercise of GST. Okay, in the next exercise we will start with the input, text, credit and all details, so which is going to be slightly complicated, so that will be the next video.